A few weeks ago, I turned suddenly and heard a pop in my chest. Since then, I have been experiencing pain in the center of my chest and right breast. This pain is worse in the morning, presumably from rolling around while sleeping. It's also worsens when bending over. I went to the doctor immediately following the pop and he said that I sprained a muscle in my chest. I've been taking Tylenol and putting heat on it as often as possible, but it does not seem to be getting any better. How long does it take for an injury like this to heal?
Hello, is there any specific point of tenderness? Is it painful when you expand the chest, breathing in full? Drive. Arun.
It's painful when I bend over or hunch my shoulders, as well as when I reach behind my back, like to scratch my back or unzip a blouse. Most of the pain is localized to the center of my chest.
Hello, your symptoms do point to muscle strain or a condition called as costochondritis, inflammation of the joint between costal cartilage and breastbone/sternum. This can take 3 to 4 weeks to completely resolve. Instead of Tylenol, you may try ibuprofen, Motrin, if you do not have allergy or stomach issues. Following are the comprehensive measures of treatment. 1. Physical therapy. 2. Deep electrotherapy, iontophoresis, phonophoresis. 3. Local analgesic patch, ointment, spray. 4. Anti-inflammatory analgesics, ibuprofen, Motrin, Advil. 5. Mild massage. 6. Acupuncture. Please feel free for your follow-up questions. I would be happy to assist you further, if you need any more information. Drive. Arun.
Thank you for your answer. One last question: how long after the pain stops should I wait before I can resume exercise? Specifically the elliptical machine and/or yoga.
You are very welcome. Once you are pain-free for a week, start the exercises very gradually, do not start all of them together. First start with the elliptical machine and after 3 to 5 days, commence yoga. It is privilege assisting you. Drive. Arun.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.